I wonder if you guys would like to see the wine shipment I just got from Grosgrain Vineyards in Walla Walla, one of the very few wine clubs I have joined. Since I have a blog in Lake Chelan where there's close to 40 wineries, Woodinville, 100 and something, 130, Walla Walla, 145. I haven't joined a lot of clubs, but I joined Grosgrain. They're doing some very interesting things. I think I've joined 6 clubs. So this is a skin contact Semillon that I'm very interested to try out. I always love their labels. They're beautiful. This is their Bubbles Red Mountain. Is this a pet nat? Old Vine Lemberger. Oh my gosh. Now I signed up and chose these on their website with my club shipment, but that was a couple weeks ago and I completely forgot what I wanted, so this will be exciting. A Grenache Blanc. Oh, yum. I drink a lot of white wine because I'm vegetarian and it pairs great with my food that I'm eating. A Petit Grosgrain 2021. Let's see what this says. Syrah, Grenache, Mourvedre, Charbonneau, which I've never tasted, and Carignan, which I just mispronounced, and I've hardly ever tasted any of that. And finally, the Rosso, the 2021. This is a co-fermented field blend of Aglianico and Nebbiolo. Oh my gosh, that is so interesting. It sure beats just having yet another Cab Sauv or Syrah, doesn't it? That's my Grosgrain shipment. I hope you enjoyed this preview. There shouldn't be anything under... Oh my gosh, there's more. Excuse me. Thought I was done. Haha. Grosgrain Mourvedre. Oh, my friend Shona, Wine Diva Lifestyle, loves Mourvedre, and we're going to open this in a year or two. This is a Old Milton 2021 trippy label. It is Carignan, Grenache from the Walla Walla Valley. And finally, last but not least, ooh, what is this? Oh, a Grenache. I tasted one of their Grenaches in the tasting room. I don't know if it was the 21 or not. I don't think so. It was amazing. That is my wine club shipment from Grosgrain. Thanks so much for watching.